Hello, happy friend. Today I'm drawing Lucky and Bluey playing together so free, tails wagging, bright as can be. As the picture takes its place, I'll share a story full of chase. But before the game can cheerfully stay, like this video and subscribe my channel, so more Bluey fun will come your way. Do you like to play tag with a friend today? The field was wide, the grass so green, a perfect spot where joy was seen. Bluey bounced with a playful cheer. "Lucky, come on, let's play right here." Lucky barked, his smile so wide. "I'll run fast, you can't catch my stride." With a wag and a leap they began the race, paws drumming quick in a merry chase. Bluey sprinted, her ears held high. Lucky dodged with a playful cry. "Can you run in place, quick and light? Pretend you're chasing with all your might?" "Tag, you're it," Bluey called with glee. Lucky laughed. "You caught me." He dashed ahead, his tail in swing. "Now I'll catch you, flap your wing." If this game makes your laughter flow, like this video and subscribe my channel, so Bluey adventures will always grow. They zigged and zagged around a tree, their giggles rang out loud and free. Lucky leapt, his paws stretched far. Bluey dodged. "You're not up to par." Together they tumbled onto the ground, rolling with joy, laughter profound. Soon they paused, their breaths ran fast, their playful chase had grown so vast. Bluey whispered, "You're really quick." Lucky grinned, "I've got a trick. I learned from Dad how to twist and turn, that's how I make my speedy burn." Bluey clapped, "You're really smart. Let's make a game with a brand new start." Lucky barked, "Let's try hide and seek. We'll find each other in just one peek." Bluey agreed, her tail held high. "Count to 10, then open your eye." One by one, she counted slow. Lucky darted where tall grass would grow. "Ready or not, here I come," she cried, her ears perked up as she looked inside. "Can you cover your eyes and count along, then peek out quick, just like the song?" Bluey searched behind a tree, but Lucky laughed. "You won't find me." She sniffed the air, she checked the ground, then spotted a tail that wagged around. "Got you, Lucky," she shouted loud. Lucky popped out, silly and proud. The game went on till the sun grew mild, their hearts so happy, their spirits wild. Bluey hugged him. "Friends are best. With games like this, we never rest." Lucky smiled. "That's true, my mate. Playing with you is always great." So here the story finds its end, with Lucky and Bluey, friend to friend. If their laughter made you glad today, like this video and subscribe my channel, so more adventures will come your way. Now close your eyes, dream soft and deep, with Lucky and Bluey in playful sleep.